Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to do a color test on an Epson L3251 printer. But before we start this video, I want to invite you to click the notification bell, subscribe, or become a member of our channel. Alright guys, let's get started. Well guys, at some point, we've all wanted to know the status of our printer's colors, but we don't know how to check it from a computer. Here on Simple Steps with Me, I'm going to teach you how to do this simple process. The first thing we're going to do is this. We're going to turn off the printer by pressing the button on the left, just as you see in the image here in the video. Once the printer is completely turned off, we're going to load paper into the printer tray. Then, we're going to press the power button together with the last button on the far right for 3 seconds, until the green button starts blinking. You can see this in the images I compiled for you to show how the process goes. We press both buttons at the same time. This will turn the printer on and it will print a color test page along with a report of how many pages our printer has printed. Here we can see in detail how the colors are printed, as well as the number of sheets printed, both in color and in black and white. It's important that we pay close attention to the lines printed on the page, both the black and white lines and the colored ones. For example, here on the left side, we can see how the lines are poorly printed in both color and black and white. And on the right side, we can see how the lines are properly printed in both black and white and in color. As you can see, the process is quite simple. I hope this has helped you, and as always, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.